National General Secretary ka BJP Pynsngew la Pynsngew ha ki khot jong ka BJP Meghalaya halor ki jingtrei jong ka Sorkar Narendra Modi ha ki ni ki news nem balade uni urang ba nong yalam ka BJP ulai thu ba Sorkar jong Modi kala le bun ba ki jingtrei ban yarap iki pai ba nong shnong jong kari India ha ki ni ki jingwan link shop link share jong knyang jing pang corona uni unong yalam le kenturu igi khot ka BJP begidei ban Pynsngew igi jingtrei jong ka Sorkar menteri rang ba du Narendra Modi ha ki nong kendong Wadrun Singh ula keliru syapang ka mandal committee but board committees ha ki district Warren Singh ula kentui igi khot ka BJP ban nang tre shitom knang ba ka sing san hima sima kan la banwan biang ha ka bor ha ka snem arjar arpulai
see the booth and mandal programs to ensure the vaccination drive that should go on, the free ration that is announced by the Modi government, that should also be, drive should be on, and this is my opportunity. I feel proud and very happy to be here. The Karkarta, they have attended with the social distancing here and to review the organization activities also here and to boost up the party Karkarta, their work. You know, the Congress leadership is totally failed. Nobody believes now the leadership under the Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress now it has no ideology itself. They are taking U-turn. Congress is taking U-turn every time, and for the sake of they are opposing for everything. Even for the good thing that the Modi ji is doing, the Congress party is opposing. हर चीज को कांग्रेस अपोज ही कर रही है, and the Congress is doing all negative or destructive politics nowadays. The people of the country, they are watching, and if the leadership is not good, definitely the party cannot grow in the state. So nobody has a faith in the leadership of the Rahul Gandhi. That's why I say that in Meghalaya the Congress will be wiped out. It is being wiped out from most of the states. Now it is a turn of the Meghalaya. From here also the Congress will be wiped out, and BJP will take a place, and most of the seats the BJP will win where the Congress is there. This is what I can only say. The state leaders and the chief minister will say something about it. BJP, I say only one thing: the BJP is one. There is only one goat, only the BJP. There is no infighting. Everyone is working along with